Hey guys, it's John L&M looking at an Excel 220 Bay Pro. This boat's pretty cool. This one we got it set up with a solid black hole color, tan interior with a tan sea deck. Really contrast each other really well. This one's got the contrasting console as well, the tan, or black with the tan vinyl rather. They upgraded their vinyl this year. It's a lot heavier than what we've seen in the past with Excel. It's really nice. Of course, you got front deck. This is the seat deck, so you get the fish roller built in. Multiple storage compartments, rod box, built-in cooler. Really cool option with the Excel. They do have the center console tackle organizer. Basically, this will fold down. You have 3 trays that can go in there. Those Plano boxes. Of course, your live well. Behind the console here, we got all our instrumentation, hydraulic steering helm, Hummingbird Helix 5. Great little unit, leaning post with the footrest, removable backrest with rod holders, and then underneath that you have a tray like you would see in a fiberglass boat where it swings forward. You have a little tray right there for cell phone. You know, a lot of guys, I know myself, we use them for fishing leader, that kind of thing. And then of course you got your jump seats. Really high back jump seats with the cup holder right there. Live well in this compartment right here. And then also we have pushing this Excel is the Suzuki 200 SS. It's a great power plant, really good power. Of course, with the 200 Suzuki, this boat will fly. Again, this is a really good looking boat, kind of a unique Excel. I know it's one of the best looking ones I personally think we have had. But guys, if y'all want more information on this boat, give us a call, message us on Facebook and or YouTube. Best number though, 251-937-1380. Thank you guys.